TikTok studio. Are you mad or something? Morning, guys. Bye, Zoom. Package ready for pickup. Okay. Hello, guys. Morning. Don't mind me. I'm trying to set up Bitcoin buy zone. Bitcoin buy zone. Okay. This is Bitcoin buy zone. This is where I'm gonna be tapping a buy if it comes back down there exactly on 72,700. Okay, just this zone though. In anything inside the zone, I'm gonna take a buy on Bitcoin. Okay, so stay tuned for this zone. Anything inside 72,700, 72,500, it's a buy for Bitcoin. This was our yesterday setup. Okay, can see where Bitcoin gave almost 200 pips. Okay, and it's just playing around there, so which is why we're now switching to this. I don't know what's happening to my network. Ooh, and then where is gold? I was literally waiting for gold to come here so that I can take a sell. Okay, that's for gold, but then gold is just falling, so come on. Well, I'm using a very fast Wi-Fi, so why are you telling me it's poor? Oof. It's aligned, so what is wrong? Speed test. Okay, all my phones are connected to it, so why are you being poor? Good afternoon, guys. Which desktop is this that you connected to? 5GH. 5G. Why are you being slow then? Exactly. Oh wow. So it's gonna be a sell setup or a buy. Where is my buy zone? So actually, as it stands now, we have two pending setups. Let me see. Was it on 1 hour? I dropped this in my community. Let's see. It's on 1 hour time frame. Yes, it is on 1 hour time frame. So it's currently a buy and sell setup, all waiting. Okay, anyone that comes first, so we take it. Okay, this is buy zone 2, and then I have the main buy zone for good here. So it's a two setup, buy zone and sell. Look at double setup today. So anyone that comes first, we take it. I have sell zone at 49,888 and then buy setup at here 4922. So already gold has been accumulating. So after accumulation, we are gonna have manipulation. Then the next is gonna be distribution. So let's see what gold has to do after this manipulation. Okay, probably it's not even gonna buy, but we have like 300 pips more to get to our buy zone. So let's see. And I don't know what's wrong with YouTube. I don't know what is wrong with it. Okay, it's showing excellent now. Perfect. What's freaking behavior are you talking about? You could be using wrong Wi-Fi. Bro, I'm using Starlink and I don't know why it's doing this. I'm using Starlink though, very fast Wi-Fi, but I don't know why it's doing this. And currently now I had to disconnect and connect to my own phone Wi-Fi before it goes well. So I don't know what's wrong with Starlink today, this afternoon. There is no obstruction. I've checked speed test, I've checked everything is working well. But I don't know what is wrong with that Wi-Fi this afternoon. So probably we are gonna, that's even the more, it's because of network. That's the more reason I bought a Wi-Fi. Okay, so after accumulation, we're gonna have manipulation. So this fall now is a manipulation to trap sellers into continuing to sell. Okay, sellers are going to say, oh, market is falling, let's keep selling, and then you come and sell around here and boom, it will manipulate you, and that is it. So let's wait for the buy entry. This now, what gold is trying to do, this fall now, it's called manipulation. It's just to trap sellers. So literally the two setups, the buy setup has 300 pips to get there, also the sell setup has 300 pips to get back there. So either one that reaches, and then Bitcoin also, this is the buy zone for Bitcoin exactly here. So anyone that reaches first, I definitely know is the buy zone that is going to reach first. Okay, so let me try to switch this Wi-Fi to the one I have and see if this Wi-Fi is rubbish. This is rubbish. What a waste. Unstable Wi-Fi. All right. Then what's the need of buying a Starlink, bro? Why could that be? So welcome everyone. Let's see which one is gonna get first. I will never advise even forget selling at any cost right now. The best thing to do is to look for buy entry. I think, let me mark the zone. We have a support here, fair value gap, and a support, which could be there, but that's 33, so it's still not there. So let's wait for gold. Okay, gold, it's gonna do what it does first. Yeah. Father, the universe you made, and everything in the wonders of your ways. You took my shield, my hand, and you called me your name. We go sing happy. Yeah. The universe you made.
Do you remember how you were amazing? Now you've got me reaching
So oneness of your ways. You took my shield, my thing. Speed test. Fast box code. Okay. Picking out happening. What time frame are you usually? Is it manipulation then decision picking out happening? What time frame? 1 hour things. I put limits at 54. What do you think, bro? Buy limits on your own. Is it that you guys are not seeing my values by the right hand side or not? I'm not even supposed to show the values. I only show you the zone and give the values to my community. Okay, but then I'm still showing the values. So if gold is gonna, this is purely manipulation. At least the range of this manipulation should be exactly the same as this. Okay, should be exactly the same as this. You can see, which is why my buy zone is exactly down below there. So if this is truly manipulation, go to at least 4 to 20, 40 to 20, at least 100 maybe per second. Oh, and you're still slow. What's this? Well then, I don't know what to do right now. This Wi-Fi is killing me. Okay, so that's the case. Since we also have 2 setups today, I'm gonna consider anyone that gets first. Ooh, what that just saw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Two setups pending. Okay, this or this, anyone that gets first. Okay, so let's see. I think it's probably gonna get to this one first, selling there, exactly there, or gets to our buy, we buy exactly there. Okay, as simple as that. Add BTC, please. Well, drop frame. We are gonna get used to this. I don't know what's wrong with you. Definitely gonna get used to this. You are fast. So what is the problem? Hmm? So it's pretty fast. Very, very fast. You have dropped now. But the universe you made and everything is here. Wonders of your grace. Okay, post it as is it fresh. Now, if you're on YouTube, I not open. I want to open before. Okay, put a buy here. Blah blah blah. Nah. I'm gonna sell exactly here when it gets there. Okay, I don't know what's wrong with this Wi-Fi. You're too slow, bro. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. 5 gigahertz and you're still slow? You mad or something? This is crazy. Drop rates. This is crazy. Yeah, I definitely get used to this. So this is it, guys. It's almost approaching the zone. I don't know what's wrong with my Wi-Fi. It's just trying to slow me down today. I don't know. So we're just gonna wait for it. There, almost approaching. I think 77, 73, like 100 pips to the zone. Okay, this Wi-Fi is just messed up. See no reason why Sterling will be this slow. Okay, you want to be connected alone. You don't want two systems connected to you. Is that the reason? Is that the reason? You want to be connected alone. But That doesn't still give you speed test. Speed tests. Fast.com. This is still poor. This can still be poor. My voice is not low. I reduced the volume. Okay, it's not my voice actually. I reduced the volume. So just know that you need to be patient today. There is two setups. Either we buy here, okay. Either we buy here, wait for it to come here, we buy, delete the sell zone, or we wait for it to come here, we sell, and to the buy zone. If it gets to the buy zone, this buy zone first, I'm deleting this sell setup. But if it gets to the sell zone, I'm not gonna delete the buy zone. Okay, so that is what I am gonna do. Yep, it's not my voice. I think I'm the one that reduced the volume.
Gave you too much, now I'm swallowed. Now I'm the fool while you're breaking rules.
Whatever you're doing, you're doing it on your own. Buy limit award, blah blah blah. What do you think? What should I think? You're trading on your own. So why are you asking for what I think? You enter the trade on your own. Okay, you enter a trade on your own and you're asking me what's my opinion. Stop loss at 51. It's already at 50, so you're done. Okay, I always preach about patience. I don't have. Ooh, it's almost getting there. Approaching the zone. Approaching the zone. Approaching the zone. I think this doesn't look nice, bro. Okay, gold is fast approaching. fast approaching zone. Well then.
Run free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind. So ashamed to be alive. Break the chains and our freedom's ours to take. Look behind your back. Chase a light when the world is getting darker. I have a dream where love's the only side. So take my hand, join the army of the shadows.
Ooh.
Harder, we are more than standing in this shade. Going louder, we are all one color. Standing
Come on, good. I am never gonna be impatient and get into a trade on good without reaching my zone. Never gonna fight with it. It's just doing its thing, manipulating. I am never gonna fight with you. You are definitely gonna get to my zone and I'm gonna take a trade there. Exactly there. That's what I'm gonna do.
join the army of the shadows. Going harder, we are more than numbers. Standing in this shade.
Okay? That's what I'm gonna do today.
We are all one color. Standing in the way.
How are we doing, guys? I don't know. Am I not seeing my chats? Let me see your questions. Your audio is bad. That was the last question I got. What else again on YouTube? Let me see. Let me see. BTC approaching. Really? Let's look at BTC. Oh, yeah. BTC is approaching the zone, guys. Wow. Thanks for the update. So we are almost in zone for BTC. Let me adjust it like this. This is the buy zone. Just stop loss is just gonna be below here. So since it is BTC, let's set the setup exactly here. Okay, this is gonna be the Bitcoin setup. Gonna buy here and target this high as take profits. So this is a 300 plus pips setup. What is gonna be my stop loss? Stop loss is just gonna be here. Wow, just 40 pips stop loss for this Bitcoin entry. But then let me make it 50 pips just to give room for this setup to breathe. Okay, so this is Bitcoin almost getting there. Almost getting there. What is the tree in your sell call? That is good for you. Anything it wants to do, let it do it. Okay, let's check Bitcoin. Almost there. Take a snapshot. Bim. Good. So taking you out, price levels out. So we are sticking to this for Bitcoin. Okay, almost there. Set your buy limits, guys, for TikTok. For Bitcoin, not TikTok. I'm used to TikTok, guys. Set your buy limit. This setup is targeted for 300 plus pips, and we are risking 50 pips for this Bitcoin setup. Okay, let's see how it's gonna be. Approaching. This is really approaching, guys. Very fast approaching. Too fast approaching. As Bitcoin is also approaching, I really think gold is also approaching buy zone. Okay, so we have two setups approaching. Bitcoin is approaching. Where is gold? Okay, this should be it. Okay, this is it. Gold is also approaching buy zone. So both of them are approaching zones. So you should be mindful. Bitcoin. Almost there. Almost. So little pips to the zone. BTC approaching. This is a swing trade or intraday. Even if I give swing trade, I have plenty people on this live that will never swing it. So okay, even if I give a swing trade, I give a day trade, I give a scalping, plenty people on this live with their mindset will definitely scalp it. Can't see the number on BTC. Well, there is nothing I can do. That's the highest I can show. The numbers on Bitcoin are there. Let me drop it in my community. Buy Bitcoin here. Bitcoin setup. That's the advantage of joining my special community. Bitcoin setup. Bam. Okay, so we have gold. Almost there. Oh, I really don't like the way Bitcoin is heading to our buy zone. That's too fast. But then we might just get a sniper entry and appreciate Bitcoin for that. Let's see. I usually don't like seeing Bitcoin heading to my buy zone with speed like this. A good sell on BTC. Yeah, if you did sell on BTC, it's nice. I think most of the time if I drop zones, okay, I usually see people selling to my zone and making profit. And that is it. Do you have anything about ICC? What is ICC? What does that mean? ICC? What is ICC? I don't know what ICC is, so I don't have anything about that. Where is gold? Okay, gold is almost there too. Almost. Guys, I think these two setups I have are almost reaching there. Okay, gold almost there. Bitcoin reached there and then started reversing little by little. That's crazy. So gold is almost there, Bitcoin is almost there. Anyone that reaches first, we take it. Okay, we must take it. How many pips is this? 200. Oh, I think ICC is a strategy like SMC, ICT. Oh, I don't know. Bro, what is wrong? BTC, what are you doing? Yeah, I like the way Bitcoin has almost gotten to the zone and slowed down. I love it like that. I'm not interested in it coming so fast to the zone because it might just come and give us a spike and tap us in. I like the way you slow down. So then use your pace and get to the zone and tap us in. So for gold, who is this Xauusd Mister in again? But nobody cares about your opinion about entering trades, hanging trades, entering anywhere you feel like. Nobody cares about that. Okay, you can enter where you feel. You don't need to tell us you're in a trade, you're entering, you're out, you're this. You keep killing yourself, guy, because I always preach about patience, and I'm gonna be so patient, even if it's gonna take the whole day for Bitcoin for gold to get to this 22 that I'm waiting for. So be it. Even if it's gonna take a whole day for gold. This is the effect of trading Bitcoin and gold at the same time. Even if it's gonna take a whole day for Bitcoin to get here, so be it. So what's this? If you don't mind me asking, Hurricane, is your BTC zone based on FVG? No, it's not based on FVG. I've already marked out the zone on 4 hours time frame, narrowed it down to 1 hour time frame, got my zone, then switched to 30 minutes time frame so that we're gonna see the movement very pretty well because I'm on live. Okay, and I know why you ask that is because on 30 minutes I think there's you guys call it FVG, me I'm seeing supply and demand there. I think there's an FVG there that you might be seeing. That's the fair value gap you guys call it. So that's it, but it has not gotten there and it has reversed. So I'm setting buy limits on both gold and BTC already, so I don't care what they're gonna do. So why I considered here, because I told you guys this place, if you can see the charts, I told you that the whole of this, you can see I marked it accumulation. The whole of this place is accumulation, right? The whole of it is accumulation. So after accumulation, you will get manipulation, and that manipulation that always happen is the same size with the accumulation. So measuring from here to the top of this accumulation, you can see this is where the accumulation was happening. Accumulate. So the manipulation is going to be the same size, the same range. So you can see from this range now to this, which is where my buy zone is. So I pray it doesn't go beyond that. That's why I marked out this as my buy zone 2. Okay, so buying at 4222, like 100 pips, almost to there, almost there, like 100 pips to go. So buying there, and then we ride this setup. This is gonna be a swing trade actually, like 2,600 pips N3 or even more. Well, I just marked it on 2,600 just for marking sake. I think this move, if it works out, manipulation, distribution is gonna be more than that. Subscribe. You already taught me something. Yeah, thank you guys. Thanks for subscribing. Don't forget to double tap your screen as you're joining. Double tap, like, share, comment. That's the goal here. Okay. Always support me, because I'm here to teach you guys. That I'm stressed. You should be stressed, bro, because I literally see your type of trading. You're a gambler, very big one, very big gambler. You just feel you see gold is falling or buying or selling, you can just enter from anywhere you feel like. You're gonna get cooked. I'm always patient, and I always preach about patience. Patience is the key. Even if I'm gonna wait for gold or Bitcoin to get to my zone the whole day and it gets there and taps me out, I've done my part. I've been patient, waited for it, came, failed. That's when I'll now learn from it and see what really happened that made this setup fail. That's the only thing. So learn how to be patient. Okay, learn how to be patient, and you will survive in this market for very long. Learn how to be patient. Learn how to be patient, guys. So even if you're gonna be patient for Bitcoin, sorry, gold. I think I'm gonna be trading only Bitcoin and or gold in one life, because right now that I have two setups, it's just mixing my head. I'll say Bitcoin, I'll say gold, I'll say Bitcoin, I'll say gold, I'll say Bitcoin, I'll say gold. So it's just mixing my head. You have less anxiety and more time in the game. Correct? Yes. If you're patient, you have less anxiety. You will not be chasing trades. You will not be forcing trades. You will always wait for it to come to you. That's good for you. It's so sweet to wait for good to come to you. If you can't wait for good, it will definitely go to you. Going to you now is going to that your stop loss that you set. Okay, so that's good for you. If you can't be patient with good will definitely be patient with you. Tell you, yes, so you don't want to be patient. Let me teach you how to be patient. Okay, let me teach you how to be patient. So it's almost there. I like the way it's slowing down. I like the way you have slowed down getting there. Probably think this 22 entry is gonna be a little bit harsh on us. Maybe we might see gold coming all the way down. Okay, we might see gold coming all the way down to 15 before the entry. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna adjust my entry to 15. Guys, I'm gonna adjust my entry to 15, and where will be my stop loss? So since I'm adjusting to 15, I added 70 pips, then I'm gonna take out 20 pips from my stop loss. Okay, this is how patient we are gonna be today. So let me adjust the inputs. 15, but I'm still gonna make entry on 22 actually, but with lower lot size. So 15, big profit still remains there, and 0. I think that's 150 pips for this. Take profits Let's adjust it up here. 3000 pips setup. So 2 setups waiting, buying at 15 and also buy zone 2 at 4866. So almost getting there. Just be patient. Update the specials. Our screen is blurry. Yeah, but I don't know how is your screen blurry. But if I join it, what is all this? My life doesn't contain all these things you guys are seeing. I don't think give screen is blurry. It might be your own network, guy. Might be your own network. Because I'm currently watching myself right now, and I'm seeing everything possible. I'm seeing everything, every number, every entry, every figures. I'm seeing them. Well, advantage of my community. Let me update them. Where is it? Gold setup. Gold setup. Gold setup. Good. Updated. If you're on YouTube and you're saying screen is blurry, you need to update your resolution, or is it watch this thing, add the quality to like 1080, right? 1080 highest quality. That's when you can see, but I don't think it's blurry here. It's not blurry, everything is clear. I can see everything. I'm watching myself right now as I'm speaking to you. I'm watching how I'm communicating to you guys, so I'm not seeing anything blurry here. I can see the numbers. I can see 4915. I can see 4866. I can see where good is currently now. I can see everything. So I don't know what blurry is there. Everything is excellent. Let me see. Excellent. Oh Lord. See, if you don't even have sense at all, come see my gadgets. What? That's weird, bro. Are you gonna buy PPI? Nah, your itel blur. What? It's not blurry. It's not blurry. Everything is clear. Thank you, sir. Well, I think maybe sometimes it gets blurry and then comes back again. So I don't know why it does that. Let me see. You guys should just stop. No, I'm not in any buy, guys. I'm still waiting. Okay. What's wrong with TikTok? Why are you guys? Okay, I think it's truly blurry. Now I see what you guys are seeing. It's getting blurry a bit on TikTok only. So if you don't want it to get blurred for you, join on YouTube. Okay, join on YouTube. You're gonna see everything. But for now, I think yes, it's truly blurry. But I'm patient. Let me switch to my Wi-Fi, guys. Okay, I know the solution for that blurry. If it's blurry, follow me, click follow, and then get out of the live, then join back again. It will. Ew. I didn't know I wasn't even talking. Okay, so if you chase gold, it's gonna chase your stop loss. So I think gold is almost in the zone. You see why I moved my zone to 15. But then I'm gonna make an entry on 22. According to your rigs, guys, because you can see how gold is so fast right now. So according to your rigs, I'm gonna make entry there on 22 in the zone already. Okay, right bang in the zone. I'm gonna make entry on 22 and then 15. My stop loss is just gonna be on 49000 maximum. So at which point you thought it is a accumulation zone? Okay, you want me to explain why I thought it was accumulation zone? He's speaking. I'm hearing myself somewhere. This is the point where I thought it's accumulation. Inactivity on your live. Okay, that's TikTok doing that. Let me set up TikTok. Okay, TikTok is back. So why did I think it's accumulation? Accumulation is always when markets usually move in range. Okay, you can see from here it started here, came back, went up, went back, up, down, up, down. This was doing for the whole of Friday, Monday, Tuesday. This was what gold was doing, up, down, up, down. If you switch to 30 minutes time frame, you're going to see it very well. Okay, so that's accumulation. Then mark that as a range. So when gold breaks that range, call it manipulation. That's to trap sellers. Sellers will say, oh, market is falling, let's continue selling. Then you're gonna sell up here, sell up here, sell up here. It will now come back and start distributing and start eating you out of the market. Okay, so that's why we are buying low here. Stop loss is 4900. Let's see how it's gonna go, guys. Let's see how it's gonna go. Yep, 22 activated. I've taken that buy at 22 with a spike actually. Wow. But then I need it to reach 15. I need it to reach 15. Okay, I need it to reach 15. 22 there, so I need it to reach 15. I've made an entry on 22, guys, but I need it to reach 15. Okay, so try to understand. 15 is the safest, but 22 is my first entry. My stop loss is still 4900. So if it starts going up from there, then I'll definitely adjust the setup to there. You're rooting for 15, but I've already entered on 22, guys. I told you guys. So I've already entered on 22, but I'm still rooting for 15. Okay, 4915. First entry is on 22. Main entry, safest for you that has smaller account, is 15. But stop loss still remains the same. Okay. So this is how it's gonna be now. Since I made entry, let me edit. Thank God it's live. Since I made entry on 22, it's gonna be like this. If it gets down to 15, then I'm gonna adjust it. Okay, 22 is active right now, as you can see. Setup is active right now on 22. Okay, so manipulation is already done. Anything inside my zone now, manipulation is done. We should just expect gold to just start buying from there. So let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. It will dump to 4482. All right, no problem. Let it do that. I'm waiting to see that. You no longer type the entries, SL and TP in the group. You only drop screenshot. If you have eyes and good eyes, you definitely know that the entries are already at the right hand side of the screenshot. So why should I stress myself to keep typing when the entries are there? You can see yellow here is entry 4922, 4900, ash color stop loss, good at 492930. So take profit above here with blue 45237. So why should I still type when I can really ease myself the stress to just drop it and you to put it in your chart? Okay, there's no need to type. Finally, distribution will come. You no longer type the entries. What the upper range? Are you in yet? Yes, I'm in. Please, what's the stop loss for the 15? It's still 4900. Those are the stop losses. Okay, I just wanted to ask, do you mark your supply and demand? Is it okay now? I guess it's the network. Hi friends, you should wait until good forms and zone. Maybe a double top or bottom and shoulders. Okay, the screen is blurry on my screen. Lamau. So I'm just trying to go back to the comments and see if I have an unanswered question. Okay, so this is it. Wait, what? Ready PPI? Wait, so I've been on this live for how many hours now? Okay, today is PPI, right? So which means this setup is gonna be our PPI setup. That's gonna be crazy. PPI is 1:30 p.m. This is 1:07. So in less than 20 minutes, we are gonna see PPI. Well, I don't like trading on news days. So 22 entry on 22 went all the way up to 30, giving 80 pips, and then it's back to 80 now. So let's put it back. So 15 triggered. Sniper entry for 15. I'm in the trade. I am in the trade for 15. My stop loss is still gonna be on 4900, guys. If we hit stop loss even before PPI, then we call it a day. Okay, so do you see why I moved my entry to 15? So for 15 now, 21, that's how many pips? 21. That's 60 pips, right? Okay. So that's that. Let's see how the market goes. Please zoom in a bit, brother. It might drop to 448 best setup. Yeah, if you can see, I have a buy zone 2 on 4866. So, but I don't care. I still have my stop loss on 49. Let's see what we have today. I need you by my side. Ding, 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 ding. Market is so crashing. I really don't like trading on before news day. I need you by my side. Ding, 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 ding. No. So gold is already there playing. Let's see Bitcoin. Bitcoin is almost in the zone. Okay, so we have two setups now trying to play with our mind. Let me go back to gold since gold is the one that everyone likes. Let's see how it's gonna be today, guys. Are we gonna escape or are we gonna finish in loss? The fuck. Ha 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 ha. Ooh. As long as you have stop loss, so there's nothing to be worried about except you're trading without stop loss. And definitely, if this one is gonna fail, of course the market is open for another opportunity to recover from. Okay, market is not going anywhere. We'll definitely get another opportunity. So let's stick to this. Let me see what Forex Factory is saying today. So, a very positive news. 0.3, 0.3. Okay, 0.3. Oh, negative news. So if according to this Forex Factory, core PPI is gonna come out negative, they're expecting to cut rates. Cut. So gold should be bullish then. If according to this data I'm seeing here, they expected to cut rates and then gold should be bullish. But let's still look. Let's still see. Dun, 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 dun. Once you are in your setup, always be relaxed, okay? What will happen will happen. What will not happen will not happen. So it's just like that. Market is not predictive but reactive according to your analysis. Okay, so talk to me. Are you enter, bro? Yeah, man, you're good. You no longer tired. Still holding my TP to running 2 pip from 22. This trade is gonna be something else. You have reached your limits. Previous market is a big drop in producer. What this means is the weekends. God damn it. Okay, almost at our stop loss, guys. Almost there. And worse that happened is SL time 15. That's like 100 pips already. Should be going down a little more. According to this data, oh, is it already PPI? It's already PPI. Is it? No. So my system is showing a different time other than the right time. We still have like 15 minutes. According to this data, gold should buy because they are expected to drop rates. So let's see. What's this? Here. After all your talking, I'll definitely talk. Shouldn't I talk? I'll definitely talk. Okay. That's why I'm here to talk and give you setup according to me. So if it goes well, fine. If it doesn't, fine. We wait for it. Setup is still there. The stop loss is still 4900. I think 100 pips to stop loss. So let's see how it goes. So if you're gonna be cooked in this trade, that means you don't apply proper risk management. Okay. So market is always open. There is always room for recovery if it fails. Let's see BT. So Bitcoin has triggered with sniper entry. Very good sniper. Good sniper entry for Bitcoin. Okay. Good one for Bitcoin. So if gold is gonna fail, then definitely we'll use Bitcoin to recover. So let me still be on gold since it's the one that is giving us heart attack right now. Let's still be on it. Woo, go, that's stop loss, almost there. And it's gonna hit, it's gonna hit. I'm still looking at it, and come on, tap that stop loss, tap it. Why are you dancing around my stop loss? Come on, you're gonna tap it, let's rest. Come on. Okay, it has finally tapped stop loss. Okay, guys, so this is gonna be the next zone I'm gonna buy gold. That's tap stop loss. I'm gonna buy gold next here, buy zone 2. Okay, and Bitcoin is still here, so this is gonna be it. I definitely think we have become the liquidity, guys. We have become the liquidity for this setup. This is gonna annoy me if after here, then you start buying. I'm so gonna be pissed. Well, gold has failed us, so we are still looking at Bitcoin. And also, there's also a buy zone too. My screen just went blur. Yep. My screen just went blur. Yeah. Also my own screen too. So that's Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still there. This Bitcoin is just 50 pips raise to 300 plus pips. And gold, I am gonna wait for you. I'm still gonna buy you today. I'm gonna wait for you here. I'm still gonna enter a buy. So this is failed. And then this is the next one. Bam. Alright. What was this? 4340. This is gonna be the next entry. Okay, it's such a bad day, guys. Our winning streak for this month has ended today from gold. Gold has done us dirty. Our winning streak has ended this month. Okay, so we were on a winning streak until today. Okay, we were on a winning streak until today, and Gold decided to do this to us today. So let's be looking at Bitcoin then. Pending when the news is gonna be released, we still have a news to be released today. I think it's PPI, right? So Gold even killed us before the high impact news. With this news, I definitely think Gold is gonna buy with this news because they are gonna drop rates. So if it's gonna come out like this or even below, maybe 0.2, 0.3, Gold is gonna buy. Okay, so I definitely think we are just at the liquidity side. Bitcoin, we're gonna need you for recovery today, Bitcoin. Okay, so we're just gonna need you for recovery. Bitcoin is still going well while we wait for buy zone 2, but Bitcoin, you're needed today for recovery. BCC. Wow, am I still live? Yep, I still have Bitcoin running, and I'm still live waiting to see what is gonna happen on this PPI. Since the market has already taken us out, I'm just still live to see what is gonna happen. Oh, okay. DXY is buying. Wow. So there is no reason. DXY is currently here and is even buying, which is pretty much why gold is selling, right? But then I'm still waiting to see what's gonna happen. And we have Bitcoin set up here, just like 10 pips away from the entry points. So let's see how it's gonna be.
them aware. Well, I be sneaking in the back, but it's what they clap. Homie, life ain't fair. Caught me crawling through the mud where the vision saw it clearly. Born a shepherd to these sheep, make them fear me. This a war zone, trenched out, trap house, nothing ever given. Yeah, every day's a blessing. Thank the Lord, oh how I'm living. See me riding with my top down, oh cops round, pedal pressing on the gas. I don't think I'll ever stop. Yeah, this a war zone, homies.
Okay. Okay, it's already time. Let's see what was released in the beta. Okay, so good, will definitely sell because of this data. Data has come out positive, so well, so that's that, guys. Okay, today is a very bad day. I've been on this live for how many hours now? For more than 1 hour 40 minutes, and that's that, guys. Today we didn't go as planned, so as usual, we're gonna still keep showing up. Okay, there's nothing to be angry about. As usual, we're gonna keep showing up. So Bitcoin, and you too. Well, today is gonna be a bad day then. So I'm gonna buy here at 66. That's the last zone I'm gonna buy gold today. Aside that, well, according to this data, gold should sell. This is a very, very positive data right now. Gold should continue selling according to this data. So instead of fighting the market, I'm done for today. I'm not going to trade again today, guys. I'm done for today. So that's it, guys. See you guys on the next one. Okay.